Hello, my fellow YouTubers and YouTubies and hippies, I guess. I will be doing an unboxing for Dead Space 3. And yes, it's a limited edition. Just wanted to point it out. So let's get to an opening. Let me see. This is quite hard. Just one hand. Alright, hold on. In the meantime, while I try to get this part open, I will tell you guys a joke. So, there are these two guys, and wait, okay, got it open. Or I'll tell you the joke anyways. There's these two guys, and they're driving in a car, and how does it go? Right, and they're fighting over whether God is black or white. They're fighting over whether God is black or white, and they get in a car crash. And as their spirits are going up to heaven, they say, alright, now we're gonna see who's right and who's wrong. So as they walk through the gates of heaven, I want this open. As they walk through the gates of heaven, they find God and like, hey God, are you black or white? And then God says, hola amigos, ¿quieres un taquito? So basically God is Mexican. Alright, got this open. Stupid plastic. This part right here. So if you guys did not hear the joke, I will put the joke in the description below. So yeah, anyways, here it is. You guys can look at the code because by the time I upload this, the code will be it'll be used already, so it won't work. So here's a disc, the Beast disc 1, disc 2, and the multiplayer. Not sure if it has multiplayer or not. Hope it does. If it doesn't, it's alright. Well, yeah. That's about it. Hope you guys like this, and like for my fail at opening my first unboxing, or my first unboxing video. So, yeah. Bye-bye.